Have you ever wondered about the benefits of having a productive vegetable garden at home? Imagine the delight of harvesting fresh produce, the money saved, and the health perks of homegrown veggies. If you're interested in starting your own vegetable garden, stay tuned for some great tips. The first tip is to choose the right location for your garden. A spot with plenty of sunlight, good soil, and easy access to water is ideal. These elements nourish your vegetables, promoting growth and productivity. Remember, location is key. Our second tip is to start small. A petite garden is easier to manage, allowing room for growth as your green thumb develops. Starting small can lead to big results. Tip number 3 is to choose the right plants. Consider your climate and soil type for a flourishing garden. The right plants can make all the difference. Tip 4 is all about preparing the soil. Enrich it with compost or organic matter and balance the pH. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Our fifth tip is regular maintenance. Nurturing your garden requires consistent watering, diligent weeding, and proactive pest control. A well-maintained garden is a productive garden. Tip number 6 is to harvest at the right time. Ripe vegetables offer the best flavor and nutritional value. Timing is everything. Our final tip is to learn and adapt. Embrace each gardening season as a lesson. Make adjustments for future seasons. Remember, every garden is a work in progress. And those are our top 7 tips for starting a productive vegetable garden. From picking the perfect spot, beginning small, selecting suitable plants, prepping the soil, maintaining and harvesting, to continuous learning. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.